Hello, Cody here. This unit has a bad vacuum breaker, but customer wants a whole new unit. I want to show how easy these can be to replace. Start by taking the shower sprayer hose loose. Then unscrew the vacuum breaker assembly. Thread out the wall adapter. I wasn't worried about scratching the chrome because I'm not reusing. It's a good idea to go ahead and try to remove as much buildup as you can from the line and flush any trash out. Apply new Teflon tape and thread on new 1/2-inch wall adapter. I'm using a rag now to prevent from scratching new piece. Go ahead and remove the sprayer head. Remove with a flathead screwdriver or pick to reveal mounting screws. The bottom one was stuck, so I had to persuade it. Remove the screw and go ahead and pop out the mounting rod. Now remove the other mounting block from the wall. Install new rod mount to top. Go ahead and install the screw through the new rod at the top. Don't forget to slide the sprayer head holder on the rod before doing the bottom. Now install the bottom rod mount. Put in the new screw covers in to hide the screws. Most of these usually just pop in. Install new hose and don't forget the new O-ring. Secure the new sprayer. Check over everything and make sure you haven't missed anything, and then you are ready to test. Thank you for watching. Please follow my channel for more.